What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to move installed Steam games to another hard drive or SSD. So there are two ways of doing this. The first way is going over to your settings and then your downloads. Once on the downloads tab, you should then click Steam library folders and then you should see your hard drive or SSD. If you don't see it, you can click on add library folder and go ahead and find your hard drive or SSD and then select it. The second way of doing this is heading on over to library and then going to your games. Once on your games, find the game that you want to move to your hard drive or SSD, right click it and then go to properties. From properties, you then want to go to local files. From local files, you want to click on move install folder. Select the hard drive or SSD you want to select and then click move folder. It should then load up right here like that and transfer over. So after it finishes transferring over, it should say success and moved however many files it did to the new library folder. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.